Howdy. I've been talking about this Venus thing, about how many cultural things nowadays, some of them might be ancient in origin, but after all, they are referring to Venus, the comet, the serpent, dragons. Because bad things happened in the past. So Venus was the comet. And nowadays, if you watch the sky, it's just a bright speck. There is nothing going on. But maybe there is more to the story than many know or try not to believe. In order to state a new example about how things can be very different from what we are told or know or want to believe, let's go over to some space news. Spaceweather.com. The sodium tail of Mercury. Astronomy used to be simple. Comets had tails and planets did not. Mercury is making things complicated. When Dr. Sebastian Voltmer of Spicheren, France, photographed the planet this week, it exhibited a magnificent comet-like tail flowing behind it. Mercury is not a comet, but it looks like one, says Voltmer. Solar wind and micrometeorites eject sodium atoms from Mercury's surface. This creates a yellow-orange tail of sodium gas that is around 24 million kilometers long. First predicted in the 1980s, Mercury's tail was discovered in 2001. The gaseous plume is made of many elements from Mercury's rocky surface, not only sodium. Sodium, however, dominates the scattering of sunlight and gives the tail a striking yellow hue. People watching Mercury climb up the evening sky this month may be wondering, why didn't I see a tail? Answer: a special filter is required. I used a 589 nanometer filter to tune into the yellow glow of sodium, says Voltmer. Without such a filter, Mercury's tail is almost invisible to the naked eye. NASA's Messenger spacecraft spent years observing Mercury's tail, often from close range. This movie shows the brightness of the tail varies as Mercury orbits the Sun. But we're not gonna watch this video now. I wanted to still show you something about Venus.
From the 1950s to 1970s, Venus was at the center of a blazing scientific controversy. In 1950, in the best-selling book Worlds in Collision, the scientific heretic Immanuel Velikovsky proposed that the planet Venus is a very recent addition to the inner solar system and threatened the Earth as a terrifying comet. By studying the ancient accounts of far-flung cultures, Velikovsky constructed a thesis of celestial catastrophe. The converging ancient
You can watch the whole video. I just wanted to point these things out about the tails. And what could possibly happen if one of those tails would touch Earth's magnetosphere or something? Yeah, something will happen, if it happens. Thank you. Bye.